Hi everyone, the Spider-Man here. Well, as you know everyone, I have another adult female mantis. It's my Prohierodula Laticollis, and she became an adult female on the 24th of October. So that was, what, 5 months ago. So I don't think she'll be living much longer. I would say probably in the next 3 or 4 weeks, she'll probably be dead, which is, it's horrible to say, but as people know, mantis don't live very long. And yeah, she's just up there, doing perfectly fine. And I haven't done a feeding video on her for a while, but before I actually feed her, we have a mantis molt in the collection. It's my giant rainforest mantis, and it's the one that was natural replacement for the one that died, my adult female that died. And yeah, I noticed this morning that it's freshly molted, and it's yeah, done perfectly fine. All the legs are there, the arms are there. So yeah, I'll leave her probably for a couple of days, let her body harden up, because mantis don't need that much time to harden up, especially not like tarantulas, where they need a week or 2 weeks, depending on the size. But yeah, mantis only need a couple of days. So I'll feed her on Monday, so please stay tuned for that feeding on Monday. But I'll be feeding my Prohierodula Laticollis today. So yeah, let's take her out of the enclosure and let's give her a feed. So everyone, as you can see, I've taken the enclosure off the shelf, and I've still got them superworms there. So let's just take off the lid, and there she is there, looking absolutely fantastic. Let's just switch my light on. There we go everyone, it's a bit brighter. So yeah, like I said, she molted on the 24th of October. So it's a while ago when she became an adult female. She's not the nicest of mantis, to be fair. She can be very aggressive at times. So yeah, let's get a superworm and let's see if she's hungry. So I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop the Mario worm just there, superworm just there, and let her see it and come towards it when she's good and ready. She's got some beautiful markings. She's definitely seen it. Here she comes. And there you go everyone. Nice little slow-mo for you guys. I've been perfectly fine today. I come in my room to do a video for my lovely subscribers and I start sniffling. So yeah, while she's tucking into her meal, let's do a quick time lapse for you guys. So everyone, I've stopped the time lapse there. She's taking a long time to eat her meal. It usually only takes her about 10 minutes, but probably because she's getting old and she hasn't really got much life left in her, it's taking her a little bit of a while to eat her dinner. It's taken her about half an hour just to get halfway there. So what I'll do is, guys, I'll leave her to finish the rest of her meal, and I'll put her back into her enclosure. So everyone, let's just lift the net up. Whoops, she just fell down, but she's doing perfectly fine. Let's just put the top back on. And there we go, everyone. And while I'm here, everyone, let's just take the moult out of the giant rainforest enclosure. So everyone, as promised, I did say I was going to remove the moult from my giant rainforest mantis enclosure. So let's just take off the lid. Just move the camera. And there we go. She's looking fantastic now. Don't want to disturb her too much. Let's just remove the moult. It'll come off the mesh. And it's slightly, looks like it's actually stuck a little bit to the mantis, so she's decided to go on my hand. So yeah, there we go, got the moult off. So yeah, she's doing perfectly fine, and let's put her back into her enclosure. But before I put her back into her enclosure, everyone, let's just give her a drink from my syringe. So everyone, let's just give her a drink. Let's see if she'll drink from my syringe. She might do. There we go. I do like to give my mantis a drink. And she decides to walk on my syringe. She had a little bit of a drink anyway, but yeah, she's decided to climb on top of it now. So let's just try and get her to come off. There we go. Let's see if she'll have another drink from my syringe. She might do, she might not. She's a little bit wary of it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that'll be okay for now. So yeah, let's just put the lid back on. There we go, everyone. The lid's back on, and I've put the mesh underneath the lid as well, so she can climb up there. So she'll be definitely coming out of this enclosure next molt, or I might possibly get rid of that cork bark so she's got a bit more room to move around. And thanks for watching, everyone.